Hey guys, what's up? Thanks so much for watching. I'm Jessie Sage, in case you haven't seen one of my videos before. And if you want to see some of my other Introvert's Retreat Box unboxings, I will put them down in the info box for you as well. So I hope you guys are having a lovely week. It is August and it is time to unbox the August Introvert's Retreat Box. What is an Introvert's Retreat Box, in case you guys don't know? It says a little description right here, so I'm just going to read it. Introvert's Retreat is a subscription box curated especially for introverted women. I would say introverted people, because really anyone can use this. Inside this box, you'll find a book and cozy items hand-picked to make your me time special. Founder Shereen Jetvig, sorry if I said that wrong, Shereen, Lehman from the White Squirrel Company. So yeah, that's what it is. And you can pick what kind of book you want. So if you specifically love like romance or fiction or nonfiction, different categories, you can actually select what you want. So let's open this puppy up. And Shereen does send these to me every month for free to review for you guys. And if you enter my code Jessie, you'll get 20% off. I finally remembered and figured out what the code is and how much it is, because I get it wrong every month. So it's just Jessie, J-E-S-S-E. There's no I in my name, because I'm fabulous like that. And you get 20% off. So that's actually really good. So yeah, just letting you guys know that this is a, well, not really sponsored because I don't get paid, but it is a collaboration video. So, ooh, it smells really good. Ooh. It smells like mysterious this time. Okay, so we got this little thing which tells us everything that's in here in case we need, but I'm just gonna break it down. I usually try to see the book first, but it's on the bottom. Ooh. This looks right up my alley. It's by Susan Wittig Albert, never heard of her before. The Darling Dahlias and the Texas Star. So let's just judge that book by its cover, shall we? I love circus, I love Southern, I love that pumpkin right there. I love this. Let's see what happened. Okay. National best-selling author Susan Wittig Albert returns to the small town of Darling, Alabama in the 1930s, where the Darling Dahlias, the colorful ladies of a garden club, are anything but shrinking violets when it comes to rooting out criminals. Okay, this sounds like exactly the book I've been wanting to read lately. The Texas Star herself, Miss Lily Dare, the fastest woman in the world, is bringing her Daredevil's flying circus to Darling. Unfortunately, she's also bringing a whole lot of trouble, as the Dahlias prepare for the annual Watermelon Festival, where they will present the famous female aviatrix with her own Texas Star hibiscus. Rumors are flying. Whew, that was a tongue twister. Dahlia's president, Liz Lacey, learns from newspaperman Charlie Dickens that Miss Dare has been threatened and her plane sabotaged. Apparently, the bold and beautiful barnstormer has made plenty of enemies, and is it possible she may even be involved with the husband of one of the Darling's local ladies? Yes. And speaking of wings, the new cook at Myra May's Darling Diner can fry a chicken and whip up a sweet potato meringue pie like nobody's business. But why is she keeping her past such a mystery? As the Texas Star barnstorms into town, Liz and Verna Tidwell offer to help bring down a saboteur who may be propelled by revenge. Before it's all over, there will be plenty of black eyes and dark secrets revealed. Ooh. Includes Southern-style Depression-era recipes. Nice, that's right up my vintage alley. Okay, this looks adorable, and I think I'm going to skip it to the top of my to-be-read list because it just really looks really light and fun and entertaining, and that's a great thing to have in the summer. I could definitely do with a nice book, a nice glass of iced tea. All right, first on top, I'm so glad that I didn't buy one of these because I almost bought one like, ooh. I almost bought an eye mask the other day Look, it has like gel. This is awesome. So you can heat this up or cool it off. Maybe in the winter I would want to heat it up, but freeze for at least 2 hours or chill in the refrigerator. Sometimes it's nice just to have an eye mask that was in the fridge, not the freezer, because it like hurts too bad. But yeah, this is awesome for puffy eyes, like when you wake up here in Florida, just to like cool off in the summer when you're laying down with your book. But especially if you have a headache. I grew up with a mom that has terrible, terrible migraines, and lots of people in my family get them, and I get them. So I learned from a very young age that a ice cold eye mask can sometimes save your life, keep you from throwing up, or keep you from having a migraine into the second day. So, pro tip. Maybe I should do like a migraine tips video. I've never thought of that before, but I really do know a lot. Ooh, what is this? Oh, I love these, and it's sometimes hard to find them. It's like a little shopping bag. That's so cute. It's like nautical. I love the size of this. Mesh tote bag to carry a book, snacks, or whatever you need when you need to venture out of the house. I love it. This is so cute. Yes, I am fabulous. Just traveling to the park. Ooh, I see some more masks, and I've been loving these. Ooh, 2 different ones, yes! Okay, these are the same brand, Epiel. Hydrating Gloves. I just did some of these that I had from another one, so I'm so glad that this came. I took off my nail polish, and then so that way I could let it soak into like my bare nails and everything. And I put these on, and I just went around and like did chores that required wearing gloves. Not like I didn't like clean the toilet, but I was just like cleaning up around the house, and it was cool because I had gloves on. And then when I was done, just take it off, and your hands are like soft and gorgeous. And yeah, so these are, I've tried the socks before, but I haven't tried the sunflower seed oil and avocado and vitamin E. So that's what those ones are. So they're just disposable, and you can like flip it inside out when you're done, and you can see how much like dirt and dead skin comes off. I know that's gross, but it's cool that it came with both, so you can just sit and do both at the same time. And another trick with these is if you want to do your nails while you wear these, you can snip the tips off, and then just your nails will be poking out. I leave it on because I feel like it's good to just get my whole finger while I'm at it, but you can do that. It looks like a little wind chime. Oh, that's so cute. How do I get it off? Here I go. Oh, I love this. If I can get it. There we go. Oh, that's so cute. It's a really peaceful, nice sound that it makes. I love that because I would never really think to buy this for myself. Not because I wouldn't want it, but just because like I have to buy like clothes and stuff. So that's why it's nice. It's kind of like a little gift box to yourself. Well, I can't wait to hang that up. We're getting there, peeps. There's a lot of stuff this month. Oh yes, that's why this smells so good. Incense. Oh my gosh, these are incense cones. Cinnamon in English, canela in Spanish. Conos de incienso. So these are the incense cones, and I've never actually had these. I've wanted them, but I didn't have this little piece that I needed. So hold the tip of the cone over a flame, wait till the tip burns evenly, forming a red glow, then place it on the stand. Cool. So I'll do that in my Insta stories for you guys. So make sure you're following me there at Sage Jessie if you want to see what that actually looks like, because I haven't done that before. Yay, I love that. And cinnamon is so good because in August, I always end up feeling like that Halloween feeling. I don't know Put in the comments below if this ever happens to you guys. Like in summer, for some reason, I just get such a Halloween feeling. Luca. One thing I discovered was that Hocus Pocus came out in July, so maybe that has something to do with it, like deep down in my subconscious. But I love it, and my partner James loves it so much too. Oh my god. I just remembered this. Okay, so last night I was so tired, and I was so freaking tired. I was like delusional, and I fell asleep, I guess, but I didn't like mean to go to sleep, you know, like I didn't say goodnight or anything. I was just sleeping, and then I was like, I just love Halloween. I just like said that to James, and he thought that I was like more awake than I was. He's like, oh really, like why? And then like I kind of like woke myself up when I said it, and I was like, what was I saying? But like I had such a thing I wanted to tell him of, like this idea I wanted to do, like I just love Halloween because we can do this, but I don't remember what that thing was. Okay, I'm going way off subject, but that was just so freaking funny. When he reminded me of it this morning, I was like, what did I say? It's interesting because I used to talk a lot more in my sleep when I was little. Maybe I'm regressing. Okay, so yeah, anyway, cinnamon, Halloween, so good. I love to make my house smell like cinnamon with a big giant cinnamon broom. And yeah, that was the point of that whole story. Nature Valley bar. XL. Never had it, but I do love Nature Valley. That'll be good. So they always send like a chocolate or a little snack to go with it, so you can kind of like read your book, do your mask, do it all at the same time, and like enjoy your little treats. Ba-bam. Oh, this is pretty. I love this color. Bath bomb, which is made by Shereen herself, who founded Introvert's Retreat. This is a lavender and chamomile scented bath bomb. Oh, it smells really nice. It's like a really soft, nice fragrance. I don't have a bathtub, so I need ideas for like, what do you do with bath bombs if you don't have a bathtub? This one's really nice. Kind of has like that soft, like clean laundry scent, so I might put it in my drawer and just let it like scent everything. And these are useful if you don't have a bathtub. This is a Sea Breeze shower melt. So, oh, it's all sparkly. That's cute. So you just set it in your shower, and as the water hits it, it like lets off steam, and yeah, it's really nice. So I like those because I can use it in my shower. That's everything. That was a really good one. I love it. I'm really excited to enjoy all this stuff. Last month I kind of like cannibalized it and pieced it out piece by piece, but I think this month, in the next couple days, I'm gonna make myself like sit down and have a little treat session, a little Introvert's retreat, if you will. So yeah, guys, that's it. I gotta get going now, but thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I hope that you're having a nice summer. And again, if you want to get this Introvert's Retreat Box, you can enter my code Jessie, Jesse, at checkout on introvertsretreatbox.com for 20% off. So that's adorable. Luca, come here. I've been I've been listening to the podcast Getting Curious with Jonathan Van Ness from Queer Eye, and everything he says is like, oh, so that was cute, or that was adorable, even if it's like, he talks about like history and stuff, so it's like, okay, so the Germans invaded this place, that was cute, and then, anyway, that was adorable. Luca, come here. Come here. Has anybody else listened to that podcast? I love it. I love Anastasia, and he did an episode about that, and that was when I knew we were BFFs. Come here. Come here, baby doll. Oh, you stink. Oh, it's too hot for this. Hello. Hey, little baby. All right, go. Now she wants to play. Whew. Go on, go play. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you like this, and I will, of course, have an unboxing. I will have an unboxing next month for Introvert's Retreat, so subscribe if you like this, and just let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see, because we're going into fall, and as I said, I just love Halloween. So I definitely want to know what you guys are excited for fall and what you want to see from my content. So I love you guys and I hope you have a great one. Bye.